right, we just finished the 2022 edition of the Panel and Engineered Lumber International Conference and Expo, affectionately known to us as Pelice. It was a great 2 days. I am Jessica Johnson, Senior Associate Editor of Panel World Magazine. I'm joined by my colleague Dan Schell,
Senior Editor of Panel World Magazine.
Yes, and we had a great time this morning. Our keynote sessions were jam-packed with information. We had Roger Teterow, a prize-winning economist, of course, AFRI, and American Wood Council with Jackson Morrill. Dan, what did you kind of take from those sessions this morning?
Teterow gave an outstanding presentation on the economics facing this industry. He said 3 of the really big things facing us right now are inflation, labor, and construction costs. He also mentioned that the 2020 pandemic recession was the worst recession in the history of America. It was also the shortest recession in the history of America, and within 6 months we were back up in over our pre-recession numbers. So as far as so it was really hard hitting.
He's always popular and always great.
Mm-hmm. He also mentioned that while we're all talking about inflation right now, and things right in front of us, that 10 years from now we'll be talking about the sociological changes from the pandemic and how it affects the way we do business.
Okay. We had some great technical sessions this morning as well. We had process optimization, labor discussions, and air treatment.
Yep.
There were a lot of info sharing and networking opportunities at Pelice, as always. The Omni CNN Center provides a great location here in Atlanta, Georgia, and it was just great to see everybody.
Everyone was excited.
Back.
They were excited to be back in person and there was a lot of excitement on the show.
And just the camaraderie of the industry. Everybody knows everybody, but just kind of, again, that whole family reunion style. Everyone was around, and everyone had a great time last night. And, we continued that info sharing this morning. It was a great conference. We'll have all the coverage of these presentations in an upcoming issue of Panel World Magazine, and we can't wait to see everyone back in 2024.